as my wife just happened to be driving by, glanced over, and saw the process already underway. We've been waiting for this. We hope to catch it so we can see the whole thing. But
we drove by it, and there was a lot of damage underneath because of the shaft and everything. Yeah, I know. I wish I saw it get picked up. I saw the barge earlier, and I was like, oh, it's going to take hours. Yeah. It was almost in the pool.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy. It must have been in water.
Yeah. Yep. So I missed it getting picked up, but it seems to be at a standstill right now. Sorry. I'm on a bridge. I don't know what they're doing. To a different spot. I'm gonna see if they care if I go in the property. We can get the picture because of where the sun is. Look at the dock. That's where it was sitting. Very windy today. I can always go home, get Ken and the rascal cats. working for a while, so I'm gonna head out and I'll keep an eye on the crane to see if it starts to move on the barge. So I think they're taking it with them. Waiting. See the barge go, but I don't know how long they're gonna be. Alright, I guess I'm gonna go keep an eye on the crane from the house. Maybe I can see it, and when it starts moving, I'll go out and try to get it when it's leaving the canal. Because I have no idea how long they're gonna be here. Okay, so this is from my house here. You can see the crane, the top of the crane over there. So I guess I'll just have to keep an eye on it to see if it moves. And if it starts to move, maybe we'll head out to the mouth of the canal system and I'll try to get it going out, the barge going out. We shall see. Okay. I saw that the crane was facing a different direction this morning when I got up. So, you know, Ken was right. He thought that they were just going to work on the bottom and put it back in the water, and that's exactly what they did. So she's back in. Heartbeat is her name. I'm going to try to keep talking because the barge is blasting their music and I don't want them to, you know, censor or monitor us because of their music. So she's back in the water. I missed it again. I didn't get to see her put in. So, and there's the other two boats on the barge. Yeah, when I showed Ken the videos yesterday when I got home and they were working on the bottom, he was like, oh, but they're probably just going to put it right back in the water. So, you know, we are in Cape Coral, Florida, Southwest Florida. So in Cape Coral, they don't have any marinas that have the large travel lifts to pull the boats in and out. 'Cause when we moved down here, we had a 40-foot sea ray. So we had to go to Fort Myers. We had to trailer it down. We had to ship down. And we had to go to Fort Myers location. So that's where they put it in there. So we don't have any large marinas that can handle this type of boat here to pull it in and out of the water in Cape Coral, actually. So, alright, it's back in. Looks good, floating, and there it is. So we are expecting parts of a tropical storm, or I'm not even quite sure if it's a hurricane, Nicole, today. I think we're actually out of the going concern, but a little windy still. And that's it. So she's in the water. All is good.